The Chevrolet Bolt EV made its mark as a wheeled baby shoe, an affordable urban runabout with a 259-mile range and a pokey 55 kilowatts DC fast charge rate that nonetheless won hearts for its mix of practicality and value. Discontinued at the end of the 2023 model year, the Bolt is set to make a triumphant return in 2026 as a 2027 model, riding on GM's Ultium platform and promising to recapture its appeal for budget-minded EV buyers. Visually, the new but familiar Bolt keeps much of its hatchback silhouette but receives a thoroughly freshened face. The oversized body-colored front shield gives way to a more conventional bumper layout, with slender upper grills and larger lower openings replacing the old expanded metal insert. The headlight graphics now taper at the hood cut line instead of extending toward the mirrors, lending a cleaner, more mature aesthetic to the nose motor trend. Around back, the chunky tail lamps and blacked-out liftgate panel are swapped for slimmer lamps bisected by a body color stripe, an evolution that underlines the Bolt's updated look without straying far from its roots. Underneath the skin lies Chevrolet's Ultium component set, complete with an expected switch to lithium iron phosphate (LFP) chemistry for the battery pack. This change is designed to lower costs and improve affordability while targeting a near 300-mile driving range, up from the outgoing Bolt's 259 miles, by leveraging a more efficient platform and reduced frontal area. The introduction of a North American Charging System (NACS) port hints at a substantial bump in DC fast charging speeds, likely in the 100 to 150 kilowatts range, addressing one of the original Bolt's most glaring shortcomings. Pricing remains unconfirmed, but GM executives have signaled hopes to keep the sticker around $30,000, positioning the new Bolt below even the popular Equinox EV and well under the $35,000 mark that has become an unofficial barrier for mass-market EV adoption motor trend. This affordability, coupled with a likely sub-$1,000 price advantage over the Equinox EV, could help Chevrolet reclaim its status as the go-to brand for cost-conscious electric driving. Inside, the Bolt is expected to borrow heavily from the Equinox EV's Opposites United design language, featuring Google-infused digital displays, intuitive over-the-air update capability, and a cabin that feels surprisingly upscale for the price point. While the new hatchback should grow in footprint to offer more interior space, it will still sit below the Equinox EV in size, striking a balance between maneuverability and passenger comfort. Production kicks off in late 2025 at GM's Fairfax assembly plant in Kansas City, with dealer arrival slated for early 2026 as a 2027 model year vehicle. With rivals like the 2026 Nissan Leaf on the horizon and Tesla's promise of an entry-level model still unfulfilled, Chevrolet's gamble on a super affordable, high-range Bolt could be just what the market needs, especially if federal EV tax credits grow harder to secure. Stay tuned for our full hands-on drive impressions, where we'll put the new Bolt through its paces to see if it can recapture the magic of its predecessor while delivering the range, charging speed, and cabin tech that modern EV buyers demand.